Today we're diving deep into the world of styling in React. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding different styling approaches is crucial for creating stunning user interfaces. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why styling is so important in React. A well-designed user interface not only looks great, but also enhances the overall user experience. Styling in React allows us to create visually appealing and responsive components that engage our users. It's not just about making things pretty, it's about making them functional and enjoyable to interact with. Now, let's explore different approaches to styling in React. We'll cover 4 main methods: inline styles, CSS style sheets, CSS in JS using styled components, and CSS modules. Each has its own strengths, and the choice depends on your project's requirements and your personal preferences. First up, we have inline styles. This approach involves applying styles directly within your React components using JavaScript objects. This allows for dynamic styling based on component state or props. Let's take a look at an example. To save time, I have already created an inline style component. Here you see in JavaScript objects containing the styling for the component. Later, the name of the object is used with the style attribute of the div. To test, let's run this. Next on the list is CSS style sheets. This classic approach involves creating separate CSS files for styling React components. It promotes a clean separation of concerns and reusability. Here's a quick example. We have a styles.css containing a class container having the styling applied. Moving on, there is a React component that I've created where I have referenced style.css using import. While styling, you can use class's name within the JSX. Now, let's talk about CSS in JS using libraries like styled components. This approach allows us to write CSS directly within our JavaScript files, providing scoped styles and dynamic styling based on props. Check out this example. Here I have created a styled component containing the style, which later I have used it inside my component to apply styles. Last but not least, we have CSS modules. This method enables modular and scoped styling, preventing style conflicts in large applications. Here's a snippet of how it works. So we define a style.module.css. Inside the file we have our styling code. Later we use it inside our React component. It's very much used in similar way as we used style sheets. I encourage you to try these styling approaches in your own projects. Apply what you've learned and experiment with combining different methods to find what works best for you. Remember, styling is not just about making things look good, it's about enhancing the overall user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Interns.School. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with React styling, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!